Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you saw our last video, you know we just picked up a 4Runner. It's a 2014, it's in amazing condition, but we are going to do a full maintenance on it just because we don't know the entire history of the maintenance on it. So we're going to go ahead and do an engine flush, an oil change, we're going to add some ceratec. We got our filter, we're going to do cabin air filter, and then we also have a reverse light that's out, so I picked up a couple new reverse lights. And I'm going to go do a full breakdown of the products we're using and why we're using them. First off, we're going to be doing the engine flush, and every product we're using today is actually going to be LiQUIMoly. It's the only product we trust in our vehicles. We use it on every car that we have. So with the engine flush, pretty self-explanatory. Flushes the engine. It's going to get rid of like sludge and deposits in the engine. So once your vehicle is at operating temperature, which ours is, you're going to go ahead, add it to the existing oil, let the car run for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're going to drain your oil. So since our vehicle is at operating temperature, I'm going to go ahead and add the engine flush. So we've got the engine flush added to the oil. So now we're going to go ahead and run the vehicle for 10 to 15 minutes, just so that the engine flush can get all throughout the engine. $240 right now, so we're going to let it sit until about $255. It's been 15 minutes, so now we're going to go ahead and perform our normal oil change. Old oil is drained. We put the new filter on, so now we're going to go ahead and fill it up with 6.6 liters of the LiquiMoly Special Tech OW20. We've got all of our oil back into the engine, including the filter. So now we're going to go ahead and add ceratec. This stuff is amazing. So ceratec basically reduces metal to metal contact, which just means less friction. So your engine is working easier, and in return that reduces fuel consumption. Before you actually go ahead and pour it into your oil, you do want to shake it up. So give it a good shake and then just pour it straight into your new oil. Perfect. The oil change is complete. We added ceratec, we did the engine flush, so oil change is good. What we are going to do is the reverse lights, because one of them was out, and a cabin air filter.
So the gas light just came on in our 4Runner. We are headed to the gas station. We're going to put in a full tank of gas, and then we're going to add our gasoline system cleaner.
What the gas system cleaner does is it cleans and maintains the injectors. which in return helps improve engine efficiency. We've got our new air filter here, so it's super easy. I'm just going to go ahead and take the old one out and replace that now. Ooh. And that is why this should be a mandatory maintenance when you buy a car. That's disgusting. The only thing you need to know about putting the new one in is this arrow always points up. The case also has an arrow pointing up. Just like that. So literally a 1-minute install and it makes a huge difference. You never know what the old people did in the car, so it's worth it. Lastly on our list for the maintenance is going to be the reverse lights. The left reverse light is out, so just got some LEDs. Super easy. I'm going to do that right now. Good. So that wraps up this video. Everything we did today is what I suggest doing if you're buying a car, a used car, because you never know what the history is no matter what they tell you. It's always a good idea to just do it. That way you have a sound mind and it just feels good knowing that everything is done. Reverse lights are in, and now that I'm sitting here, these ugly yellow lights, I have a full baggie of LEDs at home, so I think I'm just gonna swap out all the interior lights as well. Why not? If you have any questions about any of the LiquiMoly products that we used or any other ones that we didn't use, leave a comment below and we will get back to you. That concludes the video, so I hope you guys found it helpful, and we will see you in the next one.